Hello guys, today's video is sponsored by Thread Connection RTP. This is a mobile tire shop. They can come to your home, they can come to your office, they can even meet you at the golf course if you need. So you should give Jared a call. I'm gonna put his information down below or find him on social media. I'm gonna put the link too. Remember, Thread Connection RTP. Change your tires, don't change your schedule. Alright guys, we're here with Jared from Thread Connection RTP and Rodney, my next door neighbor with his TT. What are we doing today?
We are swapping tires and wheels. So I suffered a blowout in Alabama of all places. So we're going to move the Contis over to my new rims, and I got some all-season radials that we're going to put on the old rims so I can have some, non-summer tires.
Excellent.
So that's the plan for today.
That's gonna be fun. And Jared, I told everyone, you can go to their home, you can go to their business, you can even meet people at the golf course, right?
Yes, sir. That's right.
Yeah,
get around the golfing while we change your tires out.
That's gonna be cool. So let's try to document this and see how it goes. All right, here with Jared and Rodney. We finished the project for today. Very happy. Rodney, how do you feel about it?
Feel great. Ran into a bit of a problem whereby the lugs for the new rims wouldn't work on the hubs, so I just need to get some new lugs. So I can't mount the new rims as of yet. Yeah. But all in all, I'm very pleased. It looks great, and anxious to beta test it.
Great, and we'll do that in the following video. We'll do the new wheels. And Jared, how can we reach you? How can people contact you?
Okay, you can go to our website is rtp.treadconnection.com or give us a call at 919-636-3338. We also do wheels, so not only do we do tires, we also can provide wheels. So just let us know what you want. We'll find it for you, come to your home and put them on while you're in your garage or hanging out watching TV.
Of course.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Jared. Fantastic business model. Like I said, we're very happy. We'll take some shots of Rodney's car now, and see you around next time. Take care.